Excelling in a skill, unlocking your potential. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting and widely used phrase in the English language: excel in a skill. This phrase is not only common in everyday conversation but also crucial in professional and academic settings. Understanding its meaning and usage will certainly add value to your English proficiency. So, let's get started and unlock the full potential of this phrase. The phrase, excel in a skill, refers to being exceptionally good at a particular activity or field. When you excel in something, you're not just competent or satisfactory, you're outstanding and superior in that area. Excelling is about surpassing average standards and displaying high levels of competence, expertise, or talent. Excelling in a skill involves a combination of natural talent, dedicated practice, and continuous learning. It's important to understand that while some people may have a natural aptitude for certain skills, excelling truly requires effort and dedication. This includes practice. Regular and deliberate practice is key to improving your proficiency. Learning. Continuously seeking knowledge and learning from both successes and failures. Feedback. Being open to feedback and constructive criticism to further refine and develop your skills. Why should one aim to excel in a skill? Excelling can open numerous doors in terms of career opportunities, personal satisfaction, and social recognition. It can set you apart in the job market, lead to promotions or new job offers, and give you a sense of achievement and confidence. In many fields, being exceptional can also lead to becoming an influencer or thought leader, inspiring and guiding others. To truly excel in a skill, consider the following steps. 1. Identify your passion. Excelling starts with identifying a skill you are passionate about and willing to dedicate time to. 2. Set clear goals. Define what excelling looks like for you. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. 3. Seek resources. Utilize books, online courses, mentors, and any available resources to enhance your learning. 4. Practice diligently. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regular, focused practice is essential. 5. Get feedback. Seek and listen to feedback. Constructive criticism is invaluable for improvement. 6. Stay consistent and patient. Excelling doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed and patient with your progress. Excelling in a skill is a journey of continuous improvement and dedication. Whether it's in your professional life, academic endeavors, or personal hobbies, becoming exceptional can bring immense satisfaction and open a world of opportunities. Remember, the path to excelling involves not just understanding what you need to do, but also committing to the journey of growth and development. I hope this video has been helpful and encourages you to strive for excellence in your own endeavors. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep excelling.